welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about and doing a tutorial on the Becky G Colourpop collaboration Salvaje. I received these items for Christmas and I am obsessed with the pigment. This is the eyeshadow palette, and we have also a highlighter. This one is Chisme. It's a golden highlighter. And today's lipstick, this one is Secreto. And I love the formula of it. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, please keep watching. Okay, so first up, going in with my Salvaje palette, I'm going to be taking the colors Luna, Caramelo, Cafecito, and for my inner corner pop of color, I'm going to be taking the shade Sirena. First, going in with the shade Luna, and I'm putting that in my inner corner, and then I'm sweeping it lightly under my brow. So next I'm picking up the shade Cafecito, and I'm picking it up with my crease side of my it brushes. It's so pigmented. I love this palette. Becky G did a great job working with Colourpop. I love Colourpop cosmetics myself. So I'm just using the windshield wiper motion, dragging it in, right into the crease. Okay. And I'll be doing the same with the other eye. Picking up that Cafecito shade. So now back with the all over side of my it brushes, I'm taking the shade Caramelo, putting it onto my lid. These are all matte shades. And I'm taking Caramelo for my other eye. So now I'm taking my it brushes for Ulta, the liner side, and I'm picking up the shade Sirena. And this is my pop of color in the inner corner. Okay guys, so off camera I did my eyeliner and mascara. I'm skipping the falsies right now because I'm going straight to the next product. I'm really excited for this Becky G Colourpop collaboration, Salvaje. I received these items for Christmas. I have got, obviously, the eyeshadow palette, along with 2 liquid lipsticks. I got Bésame and Secreto. The color I will be applying today is Secreto. And I have one of the highlighters. This one is Chisme. So I wanted to move on to the rest, and I have applied my bronzer and my blush. So I want to show you these awesome products. So first up, since I'm pale, I'm going to do the liquid lipstick. This one is Secreto. And what I love about the Colourpop Becky G liquid lipsticks is that you put it on, of course it's liquid lipstick, but it's matte, but it does not dry my lips. I do not get the crusty lips, flaky, nothing like that. Super smooth. I love the formula. So taking my Wet n Wild highlighting brush, I picked up that highlighter, Chisme, and I just that super pigmented. I'm obsessed. And I'm just going to take the remainder that's on here onto my collarbone. So now taking my 8 brush, the smudger side, because it's so small, I'm getting some of that Chisme highlight, and I'm going to put that on my Cupid's bow. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I just want to say that in my opinion, the Becky G Colourpop best collaboration ever. Love these products, the pigments, the quality of it, the formula. I'm obsessed. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on my future tutorials, and comment down below, and you can follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put that in the description box as well as pin it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.